Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I will guide you how to change your password on Instagram from PC. So you have to go any browser. I'm using Google Chrome, then type the URL instagram.com, then you have to log in your account, then you'll get the interface like this. And then what you need to do, you need to click here more, the left bottom corner on your screen, and click the settings option, and again click here the personal details. Then you can see like password and security, the third option below the account settings. So simply click here and you have to click change password and continue. Then you have to give your current password here. If you forget your current password, then forget your password, you can click here and then type your new password here, and you have to give the strong password so that your account will be strong, and retype your password and then change password. And it's really easy, and your password must be at least 6 characters. So okay friend, today's no more, and see you in the next video.